k, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, o, a, p, q, s, t, a, w, x, y, z. Sounds, 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 sounds. Sounds together make a word. Sounds together make a word. I know my sounds. I can read words. We are so lucky, boys and girls. Each letter of the alphabet makes a sound. Words are made of sounds blended together. So I'm going to teach you the sounds. Glad to hear that you're happy about that. The first letter of the alphabet is A, and I'm going to teach you the short A sound. Ah. Say it with me. Ah. Now a word that begins with the ah sound is apple. Ah, ah, apple. Can you say that with me? Ah, apple. B has the B sound. Say it with me. B, B. B is for bubbles. B, bubbles. Say it with me. B, bubbles. Good job. C has the K sound. Say it with me. K. Again. K. C is for color. K. Color. Say it with me. K. Color. D has the D sound. Say it with me. D. D. D is for dolls. D. Dolls. Say it. D. Dolls. Great job, boys and girls. The short E has the E sound. Say it. E. Again. E. E is for egg hunt. Egg hunt. Say it with me. Egg hunt. F has the F sound. Say it with me. Again. F is for the word family. Family. Say it with me. Family. G has the G sound. Say it with me. G. Again. G. G is for guitar. G. Guitar. Say it with me. G. Guitar. Great job, boys and girls. H has the sound. Say it. Again. H is for the word happy. Happy. Say it with me. Happy. Yay! Happy. Everybody say it again. Happy. Let's be happy, boys and girls. But you know, when you're happy, you learn faster. Yay! The short I has the I sound. Say it. I. Again. I. I is for inside. I. Inside. Say with me. I. Inside. The rooster is inside the cage. J has the J sound. Say it. J. Again. J. J is for jack-o'-lantern. J. Jack-o'-lantern. Say it with me. J. Jack-o'-lantern. Again. J. Jack-o'-lantern. Can you hear that blending of the J? Great job, boys and girls. I am so proud of you. K has the K sound. Say it. K. Again. K. K is for kite. K. Kite. Say it. K. Kite. L has the ol sound. Say it with me. Ol. Again. Ol. L is for ladybug. A ladybug balloon, boys and girls. Ol. Ladybug. Say it with me. Ol. Ladybug. M has the sound. Say it. Again. M is for mice. Mice. Say it with me. Mice. N has the sound. Say it. Again. N is for nest. Nest. Say it with me. Nest. The short O has the aw sound. Say it, boys and girls. Aw. Again. Aw. Aw is for ox. Aw. Ox. Say it with me. Aw. Ox. P has the P sound. Say it with me. P. P. P is for pie. P. Pie. Say it with me. P. Pie. Great job, boys and girls. Q has the qu sound. Say it with me, boys and girls. Qu. Again. Qu. Q is for quarter. Qu. Quarter. Say it with me. Qu. Quarter. Good job. R has the sound. Say it. Again. R is for red. Red. Red strawberries. Say it with me. Red. Red strawberries. S has the S sound. S. Say it. S. S is for sunset. S. Sunset. Say it with me. S. Sunset. T has the T sound. Say it. T. Again. T. T is for teepee. T. Teepee. Say it with me. T. Teepee. U has the sound. The short U sound. Say it with me. U is for uncle. Uncle. Say it with me. Uncle. V has the V sound. Say it with me. V is for volcano. Volcano. Say it with me. Volcano. W has the W sound. Say it. W. Again. W. W is for windmill. W. Windmill. Say it with me. W. Windmill. X has the X sound. Say it. X. Again. X. X is for xylophone. X. Xylophone. Again. X. Xylophone. Y has the Y sound. Say it. Y. Again. Y. Y is for yellow. Y. Yellow. Again. Y. Yellow. Yellow rubber duckies. Z has the Z sound. Say it. Z. Again. Z. Z is for zebra. Z. Zebra. Say it with me. Z. Zebra. Yay, you did it, boys and girls. Now we're going to sing the letters, boys and girls. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sounds, 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 sounds. Sounds together make a word. Sounds together make a word. I know my sounds. I can read words. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Check out my English language arts and math book with DVDs. Take a rest break and let me encourage and teach your child or children like we are in a classroom. Just put in the DVD and select a lesson from the table of contents, and off we go. English language arts and math books are generic. They can be used for 1st through 3rd grade. All 3 learning styles are used so no child is left out.